Hello, friends. This is Crompton Greaves water heater. It is a this is instant water heater. Okay, this water heater, the coil is burnt out and blast inside this. Okay, now I changing this new one. This is 3 kilowatt coil. The same size is to be put, which is old one is there. Okay, I fitting this coil. The coil is to be fit perfectly, otherwise the water will be leakaged. Okay, this rubber washer is to be put correctly, and it is to be the coil is to be checked whether it is ground or not. Then you will be put. Okay, this washer is to be put and tighten the screw of the coil. This water heater is 5 liter water heater. It is instant water heater, we say. Okay, okay, I tighten the coil. One is the inlet and another one is the outlet. This is coil connections. This coil is connected with series with the thermostat and overload relay. The coil is to be connected. Okay, screw is putting. I tightening the screw. Okay, the washer connector is rusted and cleaned with the file. The another end of the coil is to be connected now. The coil is to be tightening. Okay, this is the coil. This is the thermostat and this is the overload relay. These are all connected in series with the supply. This is the tripping switch. When it is tripped by overload, then we will restart the switch by a button. Okay, this is to be fitted to the can. When we open this coil, the mark will be doing because of the water leakage is to be reduced means it will not leaked. For that purpose, the perfect fitting to be done, what old fitting is there, that purpose this marking is to be done in the firstly. Okay, all are coincide. Okay, friends, please share this video to your friends, and thank you for watching. I put these type of electronics and electrical videos. Please share your friends and subscribe my channel. The new subscriber is to be new viewers are to be subscribe me and encourage me to do like these videos. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night.